Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotation are coming from. And after today's price movement, some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that line up there. Sure, the level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So right there around 0.078, now going to be back to being an area of resistance. And then the other level to kind of complement that is you also have the purple line there, the 50-period moving average. And again, same principle. That was a level of support over the past several weeks. But now that the price is down below it, you would expect that to act as resistance. So in any sort of movement or attempted movement back to the upside, right there around for just to make it a little easier to remember, 8 cents is going to be that main level that the price will now need to fight back up through. Now, what about levels of support? So initial level of support to keep an eye on, if there's any sort of pullback that continues, is going to be down here at 0.055. 0.055, a very important level, a very critical level. This was a former area of support, and a classic example here of this, this was a former area of resistance, but the price got the break above it, came back down there, beautiful back test, and then worked its way back upwards. So I'm not saying the price is even going to be head down there, but from an overarching standpoint, 0.055, very important level. And then you have even further down the pink line there, which on my chart represents the 200-period moving average. But as of right now, that's not relevant at all. But those would definitely be the next couple of key levels of support going forward. So today, a bit of a pullback here to close out the week, but overall, trend is still upwards. So we'll see if the price can try to get things taken care of and turn back around next week or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.